Tripti from 12th Non-Medical. Today I stand before you to talk about a vision which has the potential to transform our nation into Digital Bharat. Digital India is an initiative launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015 to make India digitally empowered. It aims to improve the digital infrastructure of our nation and connect urban and rural areas of India to with speed internet connections. This program promotes online transactions, online services, and reducing the dependency on cash. This program ensures that every citizen of India has a basic availability of every single electronic devices like mobile phone. The main motto of this campaign is power to empower, that is to make India digitized. Under the vision, the government is trying to provide high internet connections in urban as well as rural areas. By digitally connections in rural areas, government can provide electronic services easily, and digital locker is also its part. Digital locker ensures our security, safety by cyberspace. The third point is by digital empowerment of citizens. In India at present, even some rural areas present where people do not know about digitality. So that is the reason why we need to empower and to aware people about universal digital literacy. Thank you. Have a good day.
इसका ये शुरू कहाँ से हुआ इतिहास बताना चाहूँगी। आज के समय विश्व में इंटरनेट का तीसरा दौर चल रहा है 1982 से 1992 1992 और दूसरा दौर 1993 से 2001 और अब 2002 से तीसरा दौर चल रहा है। और भारत स्तर पर इंटरनेट का दूसरा दौर चल रहा है। पहला दौर 1993 से 2002 तक और दूसरा दौर अब चल रहा है 2003 से। और आज के समय डिजिटल इंडिया सबके घर पे आजकल फ़ोन है, सबके घर पे मोबाइल फ़ोन, कंप्यूटर, लैपटॉप सब। तो सबसे पहले ये है तो सबके घर में, पर इसका उपयोग कोई पॉजिटिविटी से करा या नेगेटिविटी होगी हमारे पर डिपेंड करता है। तो इसका उपयोग हम सदुपयोग तरीके से करें, जैसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उस पर हम क्वेश्चन करना या जानकारियाँ प्राप्त करना, जैसे अपने हिसाब से ये हम पर डिपेंड हम क्या काम कर रहे हो क्या नहीं। तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी डिजिटल इंडिया का ये आज के समय इतना उपलब्ध है। पहले 1 मिनट में 70,000 वर्ड हम फॉरवर्ड कर सकते थे, आज के टाइम पे 1 लाख से ज़्यादा वर्ड हम 1 मिनट में फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं। तो ये क्या ये तरक्की जो है जो भारत करना चाह रहा, जो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री है नरेंद्र मोदी जी, उनका बस एक ही मोटो है कि भारत को विकसित बनाना, हर स्तर पर भारत को विकसित बनाना।
Is heaven in earth. It is a place where the God Brahma write the future and make the world and this universe. And at this place, many of the historical evidence take place. The king Kuru plowed the field with gold with Nandi, often known as the Vahan of Lord Shiva. The Haryana people, also often known as by their straightforwardness, they respect elders. The language spoken by them is Haryanvi, and Hindi and English is also spoken. The mission Haryana was started by the Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar. He discussed about the prosperity of our state, and he discussed that we can achieve too much by doing many such attempts, and he told to make our Haryana more prosperous and rich. It have in country many types. It's give 40% of crops and food for India, and there are many fields in which Haryana is brilliant, like games, our players are doing brilliant in Olympic and gaming field. The Haryana was our topic, which we only can do by joining our hands and do better and make our state more prosperous.